The 2026 Toyota Grand Highlander enters its third model year, bringing refined updates that make this already popular three-row SUV even more appealing. With new styling touches, upgraded features, and versatile powertrain options, it remains one of the top choices for families who value space, comfort, and capability. Refreshed design with a stylish new twist. While Toyota hasn't completely redesigned the Grand Highlander for 2026, subtle updates keep it looking sharp and modern. Its hammerhead nose and wide stance give it a bold road presence, while the flat roofline ensures plenty of headroom for passengers in all three rows. A standout addition this year is the Hybrid Nightshade Edition. This special trim gets black badge overlays, a gunmetal gray grille, and black interior accents, creating a more aggressive, premium look that will turn heads. For those who want both efficiency and style, it's an attractive new option. According to automotive expert Lisa Grant, Toyota knows their buyers. By adding the Nightshade, they're giving families an SUV that looks just as good in the school pickup line as it does on a weekend getaway. Room for the whole family and more. One of the Grand Highlander's biggest strengths is space. It offers true adult-sized third-row seating, a rarity in the SUV world. Even with all seats in use, there's still room for 7 small roller bags in the cargo area. Fold the rear seats down, and you get an impressive 97.5 cubic feet of storage, perfect for hauling camping gear, sports equipment, or even a small furniture run. The cabin also comes loaded with features like a 12.3-inch touchscreen, 3-zone climate control, and 7 USB-C ports. Higher trims elevate comfort even more, with available leather trim seats, heated and ventilated second-row seats, and acoustic glass to keep the ride whisper quiet. Powertrain choices for every need. Toyota offers 3 different powertrains for 2026. The 2.4-liter turbo gas engine delivers 265 horsepower and a towing capacity of up to 5,000 pounds. The standard hybrid achieves a manufacturer-estimated 34 miles per gallon combined, making it a great fuel saver. For maximum performance, the Hybrid Max combines turbocharged power with hybrid efficiency, producing 362 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. It also tows up to 5,000 pounds and comes standard with all-wheel drive. Grant adds, the Grand Highlander's lineup is smart. There's an option for efficiency-minded buyers and one for those who want power without sacrificing family space. Price and value. Prices see a small bump this year, with the LE FWD gas model starting at $41,360, the LE Hybrid at $44,710, and the Hybrid Max Limited AWD at $55,190. Given its size, technology, and versatility, the Grand Highlander remains a solid value in the three-row SUV segment. With its spacious interior, new Nightshade trim, and versatile powertrains, the 2026 Toyota Grand Highlander is ready to keep families comfortable and confident on every journey. If you're in the market for a big, capable SUV, this one deserves a serious look.